Hey guys, Krebs here, and today we're making a tutorial video on scoring. Now this is just a simple tutorial, and it's going to explain how you use scoring and how you can make it so you can win. Let's jump right in. Okay, so first of all we're going to get rid of this cat, because that's not as fun. We're going to go ahead and grab a new sprite. I'm thinking something red. How about an apple? There we go, apples are fun. Now, first thing you're going to want to do is go to the events page and grab a when clicked. Next thing you're going to want to do is actually make the variable. Nothing will happen without this variable, score. And it doesn't have to say score. It can say time lost or any variable. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is go to the control and grab a forever. And what we're going to do is grab an if, then, sensing, if touching the mouse pointer, then we want if then to happen. We're going to go if mouse down, meaning if I am touching this and clicking it, then it will, whatever happens in here will happen. Next thing we're going to want to do is go to data and change score by 10, or it says by 1, but we're going to change that to 10. There we go. Okay, next thing we want to do is grab another event. There we go. Let's go ahead and initially set the score to 0, so that whenever we start, it'll set the score to 0. Yeah, right now it's not moving around, so you're going to get literally almost infinite. But when I click this, it'll set it back to 0. So we're going to go to forever. There we go, and we're going to turn 1 degrees. That way it'll keep it a little interesting. There we go, and the next thing we want to do is move 100 steps so that you're moving around. There you go, and if you want to make it move around better, that's just going to go like that. But what we want to do is basically add a if on edge bounce. There we go. Now it's bouncing around and it's much harder to click, but let's make it even more interesting. Let's make that smaller. There you go. Now it's much harder to hit. Okay, so the next thing we're going to want to do is go to the events, when flag clicked, and grab another if. There we go. We want to actually put this in forever or it will not work. There we go. Next thing we're going to do is add an operator. Now, an operator is something you need to make a variable happen, like score is less than 5, then this happens, or score is equal to 5, then this happens. So what we're going to do is grab the equals, and we're going to make score equal 100. And whenever score equals 100, whatever's in here will happen. So let's go ahead and grab a looks. Let's say, not hello. You win. There we go. Next thing we want to do is stop it all, because you don't want this just to say you win and then go on forever. So you have to go into control and grab the stop all and put it within the if, or else this will just stop instantly the moment you press this. There you go. And there you have it. That's score, and I hope this was very helpful. Krebs out.